Welcome to qnawire.
We're given a particle that is going to move with constant velocity equal to 3 meters per second on the I direction minus 2 meters per second on the J direction, and we know that this is going to be constant. If the velocity is constant, that means that the net force needs to be equal to 0 because this is going to be equal to mass times acceleration. So for keeping a constant velocity, this means acceleration is going to be equal to 0. Over here, we're told that two of the forces that are going to be applied are going to be known, force 1 and force 2. Force 1 is going to be 3 newtons on the I direction plus 5 newtons on the J direction minus 6 newtons on the K direction. While force 2 is going to be equal to 6 newtons on the I direction minus 7 newtons on the J direction and plus 1 newton on the K direction. So with this, we want to know what is going to be the x component of F3 is equal to unknown. Remember that the sum of the forces is going to be the net force. This needs to be equal to 0, and this would be F1 plus F2 plus F3. So essentially the only thing that we need to do is to add up F1 plus F2, and F3 is going to have the negative sign of that, because F3 is going to be equal to minus F1 plus F2. So if we do F1 plus F2, what we're going to get is 9 newtons on the I direction. 5 minus 7 is going to be minus 2 newtons on the J direction, and minus 6 plus 1 is going to be minus 5 newtons on the K direction. So that means that F3 is going to be equal to minus 9 newtons on I plus 2 newtons on J direction plus 5 newtons on the K direction. What is going to be the x component in newtons of F3? Is going to be directly minus 9 newtons. So for this problem, the key aspect was that we're told that the velocity is going to be constant. If velocity is constant, the acceleration is equal to 0, and the net force acting on the particle needs to be equal to 0, as we showed here. So this is going to be our final answer.